In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Worldcoins into cash and then withdraw it to fiat or your bank account using Kraken. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So basically, first of all, you will need to have a Worldcoin on your Kraken account. If you don't have them yet, you can deposit, search for Worldcoin right here, and then using your Worldcoin deposit address, you can paste it on the Worldcoin application or the platform that has to pay you Worldcoin, and this way you will be taking payments on Worldcoin using your Kraken wallet. Now, after you have Worldcoin on your wallet, all you need to do is go to the dashboard right here at home, then sell, and select Worldcoin. In my case, I don't have any Worldcoin to sell, but you will basically need to sell everything. You can select max, or you can also select a specific amount of USD you want to sell. For example, if you want to sell $100 worth of Worldcoins, you can do it like this, and then just sell now and review and complete the order. So after you have done that, you will get a USD or euros or your currency on your wallet. Right here, if you go to your balances, you should see cash, and there you should see USD. So once you have done that, you can withdraw it to your bank account by clicking on transfer, then withdraw, and select cash. So right here, just select the currency you are using. It can be USD, euros, or any other one. Let's say it's euros. And now we will just select our payment method we want to get our bank transfer. For example, depending on the currency you're using, you might have different options, but for example on euros, you can choose this one that will be almost instant. It will only have €1 fee, and the minimum withdrawal amount is €2. But if you use USD or Canadian dollars or any other coin, you might have different options to cash your money out. So that's it. That's how you can withdraw your Worldcoin into fiat directly on your bank account. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.